Are you letting fear completely stop you? Let me elaborate. Here's the thing, right? I have worked with thousands of business owners, entrepreneurs who want to be influential, who want to go out there and elevate their audience. They want to be seen as the go-to brand, as the go-to expert. So I'm used to working with people who are very, very established. I'm used to working with people who have incredible businesses, who have been around, who have a team and they've built something amazing. Where do they struggle? The fear of speaking. That might be you. Might be that you're very confident in your business, but when it comes to transferring it to the stage, the virtual, to presentations, maybe you struggle. Maybe you're a bit afraid that you're coming across a little boring, or maybe you know you're not getting the results you could get by speaking. Maybe people don't get up and congratulate you, or maybe they get up and hug you and congratulate you and nothing happens after that. Even though you know that your product, your brand, your service is probably one of the best in the market. Even though that you know you're probably one of the best experts out there in your field, yet you don't get the response you want. And that creates a little bit of fear, right? Because when we present and we don't get the response we want, we're then scared that it's going to happen again and it's going to happen again. And actually it starts to play on our mind and it starts to stop us from showing up as our best selves when we present. Some people that I know started saying no to opportunities. Can you believe that? Some people I know started to outsource their presenting. Some people I know just flat out gave up on themselves as presenters and accepted a substandard ability to present. Now, I'm not sure if you're an expert or an influencer that speaks and can relate to that. Here's what I want to say. It's okay. It's okay to fear. It's okay that you might be this mighty CEO, MD, founder, investor, and that it doesn't quite translate to the stage. It's a whole different skill set to stand on stage, virtual or non, to present, to communicate, to enroll, to engage, to lift, to get people to get up and do something is a very different skill set. Here's my request. Don't let the fear stop you from shining your light. Don't let your fear stop you from sharing your message, your insight, your stories that could effectively change people's lives. And that doesn't matter if you're a tech entrepreneur or if you're a consultant, a coach, it doesn't matter whatever you are. Never dim your light in the face of fear. On the contrary, use your light to conquer the fear. If we can help, reach out because we would love to.